Just found out you're pregnant in Jacksonville? Congratulations! Now you've got about a million questions. Which hospital, which doula, what does insurance cover? Let's answer all of them right now. Here's what we're covering in this video. 5 Jacksonville hospitals where doulas and midwives are welcome, 2 freestanding birth centers for out-of-hospital care, the doulas and midwives you can work with, what everything costs, how Florida Medicaid works for doula care through SB 264, and a free app that builds your birth plan step by step. Let's start with where you can deliver. Baptist Medical Center Jacksonville at 800 Prudential Drive on the south bank of the St. Johns River is the flagship maternity hospital for Baptist Health in Northeast Florida. It holds the Regional Perinatal Healthcare Center Level 4 designation, the highest level of neonatal care, with a Level 4 NICU in the adjacent Wolfson Children's Hospital. The Chartrand Frisch Family Birth and Newborn Center features private labor delivery recovery suites, 24/7 obstetric anesthesiology, maternal fetal medicine specialists, and a dedicated high-risk pregnancy unit. Trained doulas are welcome in the operating room during cesarean sections, a rare policy reflecting their family-centered approach. Baptist Jacksonville accepts Florida Medicaid. UF Health Jacksonville at 655 West 8th Street, just west of downtown, is the region's academic medical center and a teaching hospital for the University of Florida. The labor and delivery unit features 16 private suites with fetal monitoring, certified nurse midwifery care, and a Level 3 NICU for babies needing specialized care. Maternal fetal medicine subspecialists are available for high-risk pregnancies. As a safety net hospital, UF Health Jacksonville serves a large Medicaid population and is committed to equitable access to maternity care. The hospital offers childbirth education, lactation support with IBLC-certified consultants, and Baby Care One, the first neonatal transport program of its kind in Northeast Florida. Ascension St. Vincent's Southside Hospital at 4201 Belfour Road in Jacksonville's Southside Medical Corridor offers comprehensive maternity care through the family birthplace. The hospital features a Level 2 NICU, OB emergency care, private labor and delivery suites, and around-the-clock coverage by OB/GYN hospitalists and neonatologists. St. Vincent's has a long history of serving Jacksonville families and offers childbirth classes, lactation support, and maternity unit tours. The Southside location is convenient for families in Mandarin, Deerwood, and the Beaches. Ascension St. Vincent's accepts Florida Medicaid. HCA Florida Memorial Hospital at 3625 University Boulevard South in Jacksonville's Arlington neighborhood is a 454-bed acute care facility with a comprehensive women's center featuring an on-site Level 2 neonatal intensive care unit. The hospital offers private labor and delivery suites, dedicated operating rooms for cesarean sections, 24/7 anesthesia providers, and an antepartum unit for high-risk pregnancies requiring inpatient care before birth. Memorial Hospital has served Jacksonville families for decades and is known for its Special Beginnings maternity program. HCA Florida Memorial accepts Florida Medicaid. Baptist Medical Center Beaches at 1350 13th Avenue South in Jacksonville Beach serves coastal Duval County families with beautifully renovated maternity suites and a Level 1 NICU designation. The hospital offers labor and delivery services, postpartum care, and breastfeeding support for families in Jacksonville Beach, Atlantic Beach, Neptune Beach, and Ponte Vedra who want to deliver close to home without driving downtown. While higher-level NICU cases transfer to Baptist Jacksonville or Wolfson Children's, the beach location is ideal for low-risk pregnancies. Baptist Beaches accepts Florida Medicaid. Transitions Birth Center at 6885 Belfour Oaks Place in Jacksonville's Southside opened in 2020 as Florida's first new freestanding birth center in years. The center offers an all-inclusive fee of $4,229, covering your birth suite, hydrotherapy, facility staffing, emergency equipment, and immediate postpartum care. Transitions is an open birth center staffed by experienced midwives who provide personalized, low-intervention care for low-risk pregnancies. Fruitful Vine Midwifery Service and Birth Center at 2221 University Boulevard West in Jacksonville is the city's first freestanding birth center in 21 years. Founded by a licensed midwife, Fruitful Vine offers a safe, nurturing space for women and families seeking out-of-hospital birth options. The center provides water birth, natural birth, comprehensive prenatal care, and postpartum support in a home-like environment. Jacksonville has a large and well-organized birth community with 12 doulas and midwives ready to support you. Kristen Murillo founded Doulas of Jacksonville and has supported hundreds of families since 2016. Summer is a DONA certified doula bringing evidence-based support to Northeast Florida. Dallas Arthur combines birth photography with doula support. Kiana Ashura integrates prenatal yoga and holistic nutrition. Catherine Deeb brings 17 years of experience. Nao McPherson is known for her calm, nurturing presence. Mary Fychek is a certified lactation counselor. Paige Carignan brings a healthcare background. Olivia is pursuing her dream of becoming a certified nurse midwife. Erica Glover has 13 years of experience. Samantha Crickmore is a Florida licensed midwife with over 20 years of experience and more than 1,000 home births attended. The Modern Midwives team offers evidence-based home birth and water birth services. You can scroll through all 12 providers, compare services and pricing, and message any of them directly in the app. Here's the part every Jacksonville mom should know about. The TrueJoy Birthing app is completely free. No account, no catch. 9 guided sections walk you through your entire birth plan. You can find and message doulas and midwives near you right inside the app. Then export your plan as a PDF to share with your provider. It's the tool every mom needs in her pocket. Here's the reality. A doula in Jacksonville typically costs $500 to $2,800. Agency doulas and birth photographers command higher rates, while newer doulas and sliding scale options make support accessible at lower price points. Some providers offer packages from $1,500 to $2,000. Midwife services range from $3,500 to $6,000 for home birth. Many doulas offer payment plans, and some accept Florida Medicaid through the doula network. The investment is real, but the support is worth every dollar, and you can find and compare options right in the app. Florida Medicaid does cover doula services through SB 264. That's a big deal for Jacksonville families. Coverage includes prenatal, labor and delivery, and postpartum doula visits. Doulas must be certified by approved organizations and enrolled as Florida Medicaid providers. Reimbursement rates vary by managed care plan, typically ranging from $450 to $1,110 per pregnancy. Jacksonville families on Medicaid should contact their managed care plan, Sunshine Help, Stay Well, Simply Healthcare, United Healthcare Community Plan, or Amerigroup to confirm doula coverage and find enrolled providers. Call Florida Medicaid at 1-877-254-1055. Some private insurance plans through Baptist Health, UF Health, HCA, and Ascension may also include doula benefits, so it's worth a call to check yours. A birth plan tells your care team exactly what matters to you. You can build yours with the free PDF birth plan, watch our walkthrough series, or use the mobile app. It's all free and it's all ready for you right now. We'll put the link below.